These are the charts on Kraft Heinz, and Kraft Heinz is part of the consumer staples group. And for the better part of 2023, we have been in a risk on environment, which means that the defensive sector, i.e., consumer staples, have been on a decline. So we'll start with the monthly chart, and you can see price is right back at an area where it served as resistance, now support. And we'll say that's roughly at 33.50. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, you can see that the origin of the leg down began in May at roughly $41, and it's been making lower highs and lower lows. Now, before we continue with the analysis, look at this article. It is coming from investing.com. As Kraft Heinz reported their earnings this past week, they topped profit estimates but missed sales expectations for the quarter. However, the company narrowed its full-year outlook for organic net sales and raised its adjusted EPS range. The food business reported Q3 earnings of 72 cents per share, 6 cents better than the analyst estimates, while revenue came in for the quarter at $6.57 billion. That was up only 1% year over year, but below the consensus estimates. Here's what the CEO had to say. At the same time, we continue to improve productivity across the value chain, reinvesting gross efficiencies back into marketing, technology, and research and development. These investments remain a key part of our strategy as we build the business for continued success. Looking ahead, the company now sees full year 2023 organic net sales growth of 4% to 6% versus the prior year, closer to the lower end of the range at approximately 4%. In addition, full year 2023 adjusted EPS is now expected to be in the range of $2.91 to $2.99, higher than the previous range of $2.83 to $2.91. All right, so kind of going back to the charts again, this is the weekly chart, and the question is, did price pull back just to eventually make a lower low? That's the question that we have to answer. Or why did price stop at $31 and now trading at $33.27? So let's look down and to the left. Here was a nice level of buyers at the $29 level. Let's kind of draw the zone. Got a rallying price, base and rally. Price pulls back before moving higher. Now this weekly bias level is, well, not as wide as I thought. About $1.50. All right, let's take it down to the daily chart. And let's look at that level again. Not the prettiest levels, but it did work. All right, so what's the setup? You have a nice little daily sellers level here, which worked out as well. So prices in between daily sellers and weekly buyers. Again, prices in a downtrend. This is the 200-day. This is the 100-day moving average. So the chart says we make a lower low going into the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.